Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove Face ID from iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to remove your Face ID from your iPhone, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Settings app. Now in Settings, just scroll down and look for Face ID and Passcode option. Select this, enter your iPhone passcode, and here just scroll down and you'll get the option of Reset Face ID. You just have to tap on this option and your Face ID will be successfully removed. Now if you're finding the error that your Reset Face ID button isn't working or you're unable to reset your Face ID, so you have to scroll down and you'll get the option of Stolen Device Protection. Just select that. So if you're unable to reset your Face ID, your Stolen Device Protection must have to be turned on. You just have to turn off it. And once you have turned off your Stolen Device Protection, you can easily remove or reset your Face ID. So in this way, you can easily remove Face ID from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.